Hey, concrete fans, I'm back, Mr. Concrete. This is the joy of concrete, and today we are doing another secret mystery sneak peek into the most exciting collaboration that we've ever done, the most important collaboration in the history of concrete, mini concrete collab. So the way that you do a mini concrete is you start with a mini amount of concrete. There's my mini amount of concrete. Not much. But it also means I don't need not much room. You could do this in your bathroom if you want. Take my sriracha water. Drip it in. Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to the YouTube channel. I hope you've been enjoying all these videos. MVD, Akeem, Dragon, Casey. I see you out there. Are you watching today? Helen, are you watching? I hope you are, but if you're not, that's okay too. You've got a life. You don't have to just watch YouTube all the time. Thank you. Thank you for watching us on YouTube. But I don't want to monopolize all your time. You need to be making. It's good for you. I will say though, that if you are watching and enjoying, please like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification button. Do all those things that the YouTube community asks you to do. And you know what? Drop me a line in the comments below down there. I want to talk. I want to talk to you. I want to find out what you think about concrete. I want to hear what surprises you about concrete. I want to answer those pressing questions. And as anyone who's joined the concrete crew, purchased some gray matter and started making their own beautiful concrete art at home can attest to, once you buy concrete, you've got me for tech support. Even to the extent where I will talk to you on the phone. You got a problem? We can chat and get you fixed up. Most things can be handled over text and email, but sometimes you got to have a little phone chat, and that's okay too. Our mix is just about ready. Seeing as our mold is so small, we're going to put just 2 colors. We don't need too many. And because we're mixing some pigment, I'm going to go just a little wetter. A little bit wetter. Make this just a little wetter. That pigment's going to suck up some of this moisture. And so we might as well start wet. I got a question for you. I am, you, all of us together, we're considering pre-mixing all of the pigment into the concrete. So you would get gray matter from us with whatever color you want. Pink, you would buy pink gray matter from us. I guess that's pink matter. You want green, we mix it in and you buy green matter. It's already there, ready to roll. So, so there you have it. What do you think? Would that be nice? So what do? So yesterday, was that yesterday? The last time I made a mini, I wanted to do green and black. This time, look at this. Put a bunch of pigments in this silicone muffin tin. You want to know a secret about silicone muffin tins? They're useless. You can't make muffins in a silicone muffin tin because your muffins don't brown properly in silicone. Silicone's dumb. Silicone's awesome for some things. Silicone is dumb for baking muffins. Don't use it. but it's good for putting pigment in. But yeah, the reason why we're considering mixing the pigment directly into the gray matter for you in the shop before sending it to you is that it is messy. It can be a bit messy. And while, well, you're seeing, I'm going to show you exactly how messy it is. Look at this little mess I'm making. And maybe that's not a big deal to you. And if it's not a big deal to you, I'm not going to stop selling just raw pigment, pure, raw, beautiful mineral pigment that can be used to do amazing concrete marbling in the comfort of your own home. I'm not going to stop selling that to you, but I will tell you this much. What if there was the option? What if you're like, I don't want to. I don't have a scale. I don't have a scale at home that can measure pigment in the increments needed to mix into concrete. I don't have something that can measure 5 grams of pigment at a time, or 10 or 15 or 30. Then maybe you want to just buy the mixed pigment. So over here, this other color, when I'm doing marbling, I like it to be very high contrast. So we're going to use a white base. This white base is going to help us make a really pastel-y color. Whatever color we add into here is going to be very, very pastel. A little more white. Okay. Okay. Today's pastel color is baby blue. Baby B. Baby blue. Baby B. Is me. I'm so baby. You're so baby. This blue is so baby. Oh, this blue is so baby. But here we go, baby blue. Just a little drip of water. White is a pigment that loves water, sucks it up. So when you're working with white, you can usually add a little bit more. And let's see our baby B. B, 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 B. Baby, baby, baby. Oh, baby, 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 baby. Baby, 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 baby. Do we have it? Is this baby B? Did I put too much water? I do that. I do that from time to time. How many out there have watched enough of my videos to see how many times I've added too much water? See, too much water. How do I know this is too much water? I know this is too much water because of look how sticky it is. I don't want my concrete to be sticky icky. So we're going to add a little bit of that. A little more. Always keep a little bit of gray matter sitting around to bail you out of a sticky situation. There we go. Okay. And that's better. We're back to that's what I'm looking for. So we got charcoal, a nice charcoal black, and baby B, baby blue. Great colors. Are they going to be great colors together? You will see. We've got our mystery mold. Have you guessed who we're collaborating with? It's a secret. I can't tell you. Gotta love it. There we go. Now we make our little stack Sammy. Stack that Sammy. Rip it. Oh, look at those tasty layers in there. I think that's what we want. Drop it into my mold. And then I just tap it out. Sometimes I tap to a funky rhythm, a funky beat. What's your rhythm? Did I do it? Me, 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 no more, me, me, nah. Ba, 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 boo, doo, doo, doo. Ba, ba, doo, doo, doo. Ba, ba, doo, doo, ba, 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 doo, ba, 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 boo, ba. Ba, doo, doo, ba, 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 hey. We're close. Is that enough? You know what? I feel pretty good about that. I bet you most of the air is out. And that's it. We're going to leave it. See what we end up with. Another hint to our amazing collab coming up. Thanks, everybody. I'll catch you on the cured side. We're back on the cured side. Let's take a peek at what we got. I'm hoping at this point we might have some people that are going to be able to guess our collaboration. Ooh, what do we got? A little guy with some little kind of tiger stripe looking marble. Do you know who we're collaborating with yet? Do you want to make this? Do you want to make this little guy? You want to make as many of these little guys as you possibly can? You can. Just like me. We can do it together. Thanks, everybody. Mr. Concrete, I'm out of here. You got any more questions, comments, want to figure stuff out, you can head over to www.concreteconcrete.com. You can leave a comment below, like, subscribe, hit that notification button, all the stuff. Bye-bye.